We're here in Brightwater, the lakefront planned community here in South Mississauga and Port Credit, one of South Mississauga's most sought-after neighborhoods. Brand new end-unit townhouse, lots of natural light, custom hardwood throughout, chef-inspired kitchen, 3 stories of beautifully finished space. You've got a private elevator to take you upstairs. And up top, we have a giant terrace overlooking Lake Ontario and downtown Toronto. You know what? Let's go on a tour and let me show you this custom end-unit townhouse. Welcome to 100 Coveside, Unit 99. Step into the elegant living room featuring stunning white plank hardwood flooring, soaring 10-foot ceilings, large picture window that floods the space with natural light, and a sleek, modern 2-piece bathroom. Enjoy effortless living with a custom-designed private elevator offering convenient access throughout the spacious townhome. The chef-inspired kitchen is a true showstopper, complete with fully integrated high-end Bosch appliances, luxurious Caesar stone countertops, gleaming hardwood floors, hot lights, and a large island perfect for gatherings and entertaining. Flowing seamlessly from the kitchen, the open concept family and dining rooms offer an inviting space with large picture windows, a cozy electric fireplace, and a walkout to a spacious deck, ideal for relaxing evenings or hosting guests in style. Retreat to the impressive principal bedroom featuring beautiful hardwood floors, a walk-in closet, expansive windows, and a luxurious spa-like ensuite. Unwind in the modern soaker tub, enjoy the glass enclosed shower, and appreciate the convenience of a double vanity and upscale finishes throughout. The second and third bedrooms are generously sized and include hardwood floors, double closets, large windows that welcome plenty of natural light. Upstairs, the versatile third-floor loft offers endless possibilities. Use it as a home office, gym, art studio, or playroom. Enjoy abundant sunlight and walkouts to a premium rooftop terrace with breathtaking panoramic views of downtown Toronto and Lake Ontario. Conveniently located on the second floor, the laundry area is easily accessible near the principal suite. The townhome also boasts a rare 2-car garage with additional storage, plus 2 covered exterior parking spots, providing parking for up to 4 vehicles in total. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour here today. Beautiful lakefront views, downtown Toronto, and you saw all the custom finishes throughout. Give me a call, I'll be happy to answer any questions or give you a private tour. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax, and have yourself a beautiful day.